Spike, I'm gonna need that clutch in a minute, bro. Hey, I'm gonna need the clutch in a minute. Spike, I'm gonna need that clutch in a minute. Had to come check out this 140 here where we're selling our 790 chopper. Yeah. That thing's a unit. Also have a white 100 here too. Came from the same farm. Looks just like our 140. Same engine as our 125. Just a little more horsepower. This thing's nice. Sounds good, runs smooth. The hours, 6,400. So I just drove back here and then was wondering how these oats were looking, and they're looking pretty good actually. Second crop's coming along down there. I don't know when we'll be combining these bad puppies, but still will be a little bit yet. But yeah, here's a little update on those oats we planted. Right here is our corn we planted on June 10th. That's also looking really good. They're supposed to be coming to spray this today again. It's looking pretty good for being planted June 10th. It's definitely behind our other stuff, but obviously because it was planted way later. But yeah, looking good. This here is our first planted corn. Definitely over the knee, and it ain't the 4th of July. So knee high by the 4th of July, kinda. Then here's our spring seeding triticale. We'll be cutting that with like second crop or a little after. Yeah, the crops are looking good. Second crop over here. More corn. But could use some rain again. Guys, so we're got our hold on, let me and action. So guys, we got our S205 back. I'm back in it. AC's blowing cold. It's so nice. We just took the S570 up. It had a lift cylinder leaking, and the AC needed to get fixed on that one too. And so we just did a swap-a-roo. Took that one up, picked this one up, and yeah, we just moved 20 calves, tagged and moved 20 calves, so now we have 5 super huts. But I just moved all these huts over here. I'm gonna just pile it up for today, and then we'll haul it out tomorrow. piled up in that time lapse. We're gonna just go and load this in the spreader tomorrow, and yeah, start chores now. So yeah, birdies. Heading out to the field, I guess, not really, but to a pile where we're going to pile up this bed pack at. Window's a little dirty, don't mind it. This is our field here that we've been hauling on since we don't have any fields to haul on. She's getting pretty covered. Trying not to haul on it as much as possible. All right, we got that first big pile done. Gonna put a little bit of this in the spreader too. There's room. And then we have this little pile and then one more by the new shed from the super huts that we moved and cleaned. So yeah, try to fit as much of this in the spreader as I can, and then I'll just put whatever's left of this in the other pile in the spreader for the third load. There we go. Nice and clean. I just drive back and forth until the spreader's empty. It's a pretty small area back here in the corner of this field. I had to drive over a little stretch alfalfa to get curled in here the right way of the spreader. But yeah, we're just spreading her back here in this corner. Spread back here very often. But when I go back in, I'll have a little bit left to haul back here. Just one more load probably. Then after that, I might put bedding in the calving shed. They could use some. Oops. Supposed to put it in reverse. So I said I was gonna put bedding in the calving shed. Then I was looking at this new shed lot and I'm like, they could use a cleaning. So I'm gonna clean the outside, just put bedding in the shed part, outside lot where they eat. I'll clean that, bedding inside, inside, inside. You know what I mean. Anyway, then we'll go from there. Got the front all cleaned out, bedding in. Let's let these heifers back in here. Sometimes you just have to be one with the animals. They don't even know I'm in here. They have no idea. I'm just another heifer to one of them. This will probably be the last load we spread. I'm just going to pile the rest of the lots, the dry cow lot and the heifer lot down there. So yeah, this will be the last load we spread. Man, I need to clean that back window, but not today. Heck yeah, the old bomber. Let's get going. Oh, it'd help if I put it in drive. Yeah! My favorite part of this old truck here is the horn. Love that thing. Okay, we got that lot all cleaned up, dumped over the side. It's probably gonna be it for the video today, folks. Yep, calling it there. So, thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and see you soon.